Running a business is expensive and communication costs can add up quickly. You might be wondering, can I really get a SIP trunk for free? SIP trunks are a modern way to make calls over the internet, offering features and flexibility traditional phone lines can't match. But are they truly free? Let's dive in. The truth is, there's no such thing as a completely free lunch, and SIP trunks are no exception. However, there are ways to minimize the cost. Many providers offer free SIP trunk trials. This lets you test the service before committing. Plus, some SIP trunk plans include features like voicemail and caller ID for free. But you will likely pay for things like per-minute calling rates, especially for international calls. Phone numbers, you'll need a local number for your business, and additional lines, if you need to handle multiple calls simultaneously. Here's the good news. SIP trunks can still be significantly cheaper than traditional phone lines. Plus, features like video conferencing and call forwarding can improve communication and productivity. So, how do you find the right SIP trunk provider for your business? We'll explore key factors to consider in the next video. In the meantime, check out the description below for a link to choose the best SIP trunk provider. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tech tips. My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.